Now we're going to focus on the note lengths and legato adjustments. These are adjustments that usually I prefer to do manually in my edit mode. It's important to remember that all of the functions of the tool window can be applied to a clip, a series of clips. For example, now if I will apply quantization, it would apply to all of my selection. But we also can apply the functions of the tool window to a particular selection of notes within a clip when we are in edit mode. I'm going to use my strings here to experiment with the note lengths and legato adjustment functions, and you will be able to see the changes right here in the edit window. So first thing, I'm going to select a group of notes. The selected notes are the ones that are grayed out, and I will be able to adjust the length of my selected notes with these three parameters: add, subtract, and fixed length. These numbers mean bars, beats, 16 notes, and ticks. So let's start by subtracting 1 bit of each one of my selected notes. Apply, and you can see that the notes become much shorter. Now let's add 2 bits plus 2 16 notes to my selection. Apply, the notes are longer. If I reapply this function, they will become even longer. As I said before, I prefer to manage my lengths manually, but it's very cool that you can do it as well from the tool window. Legato adjustments. Legato is when you have one note ending at the exact time that the next one is beginning. Let's select these 3 notes. If I choose side by side, the note lengths are going to be adjusted in a way that they're not going to either overlap or have gaps between them. Apply. One stops playing the same way the other one begins. Now we can also have them overlap on purpose by, let's say, 2 16 notes. Apply. Now the notes overlap a little. Or we can program a gap between the notes. Let's do that with a gap of 4 16 notes. So now we have a gap between them. This is a good way to manage MIDI data in order to achieve different types of articulations. Let's listen back to the different results. For this kind of material, this kind of luscious string sound, it's always better to use legato function. Let's go back now to the song mode.